Today I will show you how to build this light or dark mode application with Flutter. So first of all, we have the system user preference, the light mode or the dark mode version. So as you can see right here, we have the light mode on system user preference. But if we change to dark mode, we have now the dark mode right here. And then as you can see, it works very, very well. So we will delete all this code and we will rewrite it. So first of all, we will need to create this stateful widget. This stateful widget will be called Mapp because of this one. It is the same name, the class. We will remove the key and we will say instead of the container, material app. That's good. After we will say the home and we will say scaffold. So we will return the scaffold inside the home. And okay, that's good. We have the scaffold right now. And next, what we will do is inside the scaffold, we will say a column. So we will say the scaffold have a body. So inside the body, we will return the column. And in this column, we have an argument children. So children. And that's good. In the children, we'll put the row. So the first row will be, by example, children inside. And the first widget will be the text widget, like this. And this text widget will be user system preference. Okay, that's good. So we have it right here. Then we will remove the debug thing. So I will go inside my app. I will say debug banner, and I will say false. So that is gone now, and we will add an app bar in the scaffold app bar, just like that widget, and inside we can have a title with some text widget, and this text widget will be dark or light mode. This is the name of our app. After that, we can put padding. So we refactor with padding, and the padding we will put 10, just to be sure that it's not on the side. After, in this row, we can add. So in this row, we will add a switch. The value of the switch will be the value that we will need to put. So it will be right before the build here. We will add some value of the switch. So light switch. Light switch. So this is a boolean. I will say boolean light switch equal to false when we start. And we will need two more boolean. One is for the system preference. So I will say boolean system preference switch, and I will put as well the dark switch, just like that, dark switch. So we have our switch right now. Okay, next step will be the value of the switch. So the current value, it's a boolean, and we will say it is the system preference switch. And then, as you can see, when we click on it, nothing happened because we need to change it on the onChange. So we will put an empty function for now, and this will be the new switch value. Okay, that's good. After that, what we will need to do is put the space between the text and the switch. So to put the space between, we will use inside the row, we will say the main axis alignment, and the main axis alignment dot space between. As you can see, this is very nice. Okay, so we have that, and next we will need to put some logic inside the onChange. So if the system preference switch is true, so if it is the case that it's true, then we will just say print blocked. This is because if it is activated, then we don't want to deactivate it, because the three of them will be deactivated and it will be pretty weird. So if a switch is activated, the only way to deactivate it is to activate another one. Okay, so if it is the case, then print blocked. Otherwise, we will say a set state. Set state, we should have it. And we don't have it because we are inside the stateful. We should have a set state. So we'll write it right here, set state, maybe we will find it. Okay, and then I will copy it, cut it, and paste it right here. Good. Inside the set state, what we'll say is system preference switch equal true, because in the case that this is false, then it will be true when we set state. So true. The others, so the light switch will be false, and the dark switch will be false as well. That's good. Okay, we have something right here, and then we can copy this switch. So I will put this row instead. So I will put a comma right here and format document. I will take this row, put the comma, and I will copy and paste it 2 times. Perfect. So now we have those 3 lines. The second one will be the light mode, like that, and the last one will be the dark mode. Okay, that's good. Finally, we will need to put the value of it. So this one is the dark switch, and this one is the light switch. That's good. So if it is activated, the light switch, then it will be blocked. Otherwise, it will set state, and the light switch will be true, and the system preference will be false. And in the other case, on the dark switch, it will be true, and this one will be false. So it's only to say if I click on it, then put it true and put the 2 other false. So, okay, we have a little bug, so I will restart. Okay. And the problem is I need to put a switch true at start. So the system preference will be true at start, like that. So we'll restart. So this is true. And the light mode is true as well. So we have a little problem. And this problem is because we have not changed this one. So this system preference switch. So it is light switch. Okay. And this one, it's here, dark switch. So you need to change both of them. So this one inside the unchange, and this one on the value. This on the unchange, and this on the value. So this should be good. So now the switch are changing. Now we will need to tell Flutter, when I click on it, I want you to be on this mode. So inside the material app, where it is, right here, we have 3 things. The first one is the theme, that will take the theme data. This one is the light theme. We have as well the dark theme that will take a theme data as well. Okay, and we have the theme mode. So we will create a variable. This one will be the theme data. And at first it will be null. So I will just say theme data, like that. So this value is false at start. So if I put theme data right here, it can be assigned to theme mode. Okay, sorry for that. It is theme mode. So theme mode, like that. Theme mode. That's good. That's perfect. So we have the theme data. Inside this one, we will put the brightness. So brightness, it will be brightness.light. And the dark one will be the brightness.dark. Just like so. That's good. And we will need to change this for theme. mode, sorry. No, so team mode. That is good. So now, as you can see, we have the dark mode because we are inside dark mode. If we put light, we are now light. Okay, that's good, but we'll need to change more things because, as you can see, the dark is not going. So we can change the value of team mode right now. And if we are inside the user preference, that means that the team mode will be equal to null. So it will take if it's null, that means inside right here, the team mode, it's null. When it's null, it take automatically the system preference. So that's why we put it null. After, if we go inside this one, so I will copy this one, team mode, and in the set state, I will say team mode equal to this one, it will be light. So team mode dot light. And the last one will be the team mode dot dark. As simple as that. Here we go. So then, as you can see, we have when we click on dark mode, it will change on dark mode, light mode, and system preference. Right now we are in light mode. If we go inside dark mode, we are inside dark, light, and dark. And it worked perfectly well. So thank you and see you on the next one. Bye.